Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Venmo account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in venmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Venmo website. Now right from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then you will be taken into the login page. Now from this page, you can directly change your password without signing in. Just enter the email address, or your phone number, or your username associated with your account and tap on the next button. You will then see the Forgot Password button. Just tap on Forgot Password and you will be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Just type in your email address or your phone number once again and click on the Submit button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone number or your email address. Just check your inbox or your phone SMS and then enter the code that you see within the next screen. And after you confirm this code, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then confirm it by clicking through the reset button. And as soon as you click on this, your password will immediately be reset on your Venmo account. You can then go back to the login page and use your newly created password along with your email address to log into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.